It's Emily with V Wonderland. Since this is a lazy girl makeup, I am using this foundation here, or more like BB cream really, and this is the La Roche-Posay 50 Face Broad Spectrum SPF Tinted Mineral. This works both as a BB cream or light foundation as well as a sunscreen. So I'm gonna go ahead and use a little bit of this right here. And this honestly isn't going to give you that full coverage that, you know, all the other makeups that are the foundations I've been using normally do, like the FX Fluid or the Giorgio Armani. But if you're looking for something that's quick, something that's everyday, then this would be something that I would recommend, because this has both the sunscreen and the foundation. Now that you've had your foundation all completed, it is time to do the brows. I'm doing a super easy Hourglass Arch Brow Defining Gel. All you do is go up 2 times and then 3 times this way. So 1, 2, and then 1, 2, and 3. Next is to do a very simple eyeshadow look with the I Don't Care eyeshadow palette by V Wonderland Cosmetics. And we are going to use the They Talk About Me. You want your makeup to be good, where people are like, oh look, their makeup looks really good, but they don't know that you only did it in a few simple steps. So using any makeup brush you have, or honestly even your fingers, when I first started out doing makeup, I would just kind of do this, swipe it on my eyelids with my fingers, and then I would use a Q-tip and then just kind of shape it, so you can always do that. But yeah, you're just gonna use one color, very simple, but adds a little bit of pizzazz. A little bit underneath, like so. Now this is totally optional since you were going to be using mascara later. This isn't really necessary, but I just like to do it just because my eyes are kind of smaller. I like to use the Sephora eye pencil or crayon. This is the eye crayon to go, and this is in dark brown. I'm just going to do a really quick liner. There we go, super easy. Almost done. We only have 2 more products left until we're done with our look. I am using the V Wonderland mascara here that is volumizing. This means I don't have to wear falsies, and that's great. See, look at how long my lashes look with this. Like, this is the kind of products you want to use every day, because it's like, you don't have to do much, you just do a couple swipes, and already like, bam. Your lashes are so much more prominent. Folks, we are almost done now. We're on to the last step, which is this Giorgio Armani A Blush in Peach. And this is going to be both your blush and your lips. So I'm just gonna put some here, la 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 la, and then put a little bit on here. I'm just gonna kind of lightly dab this in. And there we have it. This is the Lazy Girls edition to makeup. That's it for today's video. Thanks so much for watching. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe, and let me know in the comments what you want to see next. See ya!